Welcome back, students. In the previous class we have learned what is a period and what is a periodicity. We'll just brush it up. For any non-terminating repeating decimal, for example, we'll take 7.693 where 93 is being repeated. As we have already discussed, that the bar above represents that the digits which are being repeated. So for this, what is the period? The period is the digits which are being repeated. So 9 and 3. And periodicity is the number of digits in the period. So there are 2 digits in this. So periodicity is 2. This we have already seen. Now there is one more small rule with which we can do a small terminating decimal. Whether it is a terminating decimal or a non-terminating decimal, we can tell without actually dividing the number. What is that? We will try to see it. The
rule says the rational number p by q terminates if p comma q are coprime numbers. Coprime numbers are the numbers which have 1 as their HCF, as you can see in this slide. Or in other words, numbers having only 1 as their common factor are called coprime numbers. And q can be written in the form of 2 to the power n multiplied or the product of 5 power m, where n and m are non-negative integers. The order here is not given any importance. That means it can be 5 power n or 2 to the power of m.
It out with the previous homework problems that we did. First, 7 by 5. 5, can we write it in that form? Yes, 5 is nothing but 2 power 0 and 5 power 1. So what is the decimal form that we got? 1.4. Is this terminating? Yes, because it stopped. We'll check it with the, we'll verify for the second one as well. 3 by 4. Now 4 is the denominator, right? So 4. How can this be written? Is this in this form? 4. Can we write it as 2 square? Because 2 2s is 4. That means 5 power, there is nothing in that, so 0. So again it is in this form, 3 by 4. What is the answer that we got? 0.75. That means this is also terminating decimal. Let us take something which doesn't. Okay. For example, 17 by 3. Now is 3 can be written in this form? 3 we cannot write. 3 cannot be written as 2 power m or 5 power n form. Okay. Because there is a multiple of 3 involved. So what is the value that if we get? 5.666 repeating. Okay. That means here is it a terminating decimal? No, it is not a terminating decimal. So if this rule is satisfied, clarify whether the rational number is a terminating decimal or non-terminating decimal without doing the actual division. There are here, I gave you few problems for practice. This simple one is a period and periodicity of the following decimals. Here you have to write what is the period, what is the periodicity. In the second one, you have to check whether this rule that we have discussed in the today's class is applicable or not in this one. 51 by 100, 23 by 6, 47 upon 5.